How far now?
Perfect. I happy as I see you. Now your bunker they come, so I can check you if you dey sharp.
TYC! That land so over sharp worry me now. Are they? Where tripod?
The guy at that time, you. I don't find him. I don't go places. Why I not saying the day. I no see him. My big no be say they don't pin the guy last night too.
Been waiting. If God be for us, who can be against us? Romans 8:31. Nothing fit do tripod. Tripod just the one side alongside. They unlucky. Bumpy. If you don't shut down one baby, just the normal. You know the story now.
Where now? Where in Conde for this area? Where in Conde?
TYC!
I
know you will see.
Everybody move! Everybody move! I just take say this thing now will go mma. Then I go come, I go bend. We go mom. The apple of God's eyes. Please, I am here for you. Ugo, I dey here for you. Then I go beg him, Ugo, can I be your Adam so that you can be my Eve? I go give him the apple, the forbidden fruit. She go just bite him, give me back. I go swallow him. I go just swallow him. Then the voice shall come from above. Yeah, he will call me. Chima, where are thou? My God, I'm naked. I no care self. Tina, they care for. You come, mom. I'm coming. The apple of God's eyes. I'm now.
Where did they go? Well, no, where did I see you? Where your mind did they say you won't go?
Now, thunder go fire down my throat. They ask me that nonsense question now. You don't hear me? Wait, make I even ask you. Hope say this vegetable will go cut in form of flower. Hope say no be my girl Ugoma. You won't go carry and go give. Abi?
Thunder, see, thunder will go fire your mats. They come from Adamawa. You open this your mouth now. They call my hibiscus flower. What I want present to my lovely Ugoma. My Ugoma. Who everybody will say yes. Hey, let me tell you. Ugoma, Ugoma, I love you. Now you now. Won't go improve. Any day where I go here say, if you pursue the same Ugoma, or you use your mouth, mention Ugoma, yeah? I will kill you.
Just close your mouth, no talk, no talk. Make people no go hear this nonsense where they talk now. If they hear them now, then go say, that madness, where they trend for your family, say it don't reach you. Yes, because the way they talk like who no get sense now. Once they hear this thing now, they go say, hell, that madness don't reach this boy, don't reach him. See, make I tell you, Gombas, you see, I'm not going to even agree for this life to be your friend. Talk more of to marry you. I won't take marry you. You know, gay person for your generation, past and present. Where if you marry you, Gomba? You know they possible. You dey hear me?
Idiot. Now your papa they mad. In fact, now you and your papa see madness. See your papa see madness. See you. So na family of madness, idiot.
Hold on. My guy, hold on. Wait, now my papa you call now?
Now your papa I call, idiot. What do you say now your papa? Now your papa I call.
My own papa?
Yes. That's me, papa I call.
Jericho. I go mark line here now. If you cross, I might kill you.
Wait, no say you broke.
I never want to fight you. Hold on first. I never ready to fight you. Cross this line. I don't say this bag though. Don't be bag. No. If you cross back, you don't die. Just cross this back line.
If I cross, what thing go happen?
Cross this line.
Me now, Jericho. Line the tap.
Nothing go
I
happen.
don't cross am. You don't I
Jericho.
don't cross am. I go kill you for here.
You don't die.
I go kill you for here. Bury you. Jericho. I go kill you here.
Hey!
Bury you for here.
Hey! What are these fools doing here?
Okay, good afternoon.
Did I hear you said what? Huh?
Sorry, sir.
My in-law. Go.
I said, what are you fools doing here?
Fools, answer them. Fool, answer them.
Now, the both of you should listen to me. I know it is because of my daughter that you bastards are here. But let me tell you, you are very close to hell. Idiots! The next time I see you or I heard that you came here, I will add more pains to your miserable lives. Now, read my lips. I will cut your manhoods and you will feed on it. Bloody fools. Idiots! Now get out!
Idiot, get out.
I said get out before I lose my temper.
Get out, you fool. You are the fool. Get out, you
Nonsense.
In-law.
I'll go, I'm coming. I'm coming back.
Okay.
Fool, you go now.
Deceive. What nonsense? In my house here. What nonsense? See, let me just tell you. Let me tell you. What I want to tell you now is my life. And I will not want you to joke with it. Now, have you noticed that my one and only Ugoma is right? And they want to plug her and eat her for free. So what I want you to help me do now is advise her against anything that have manhood. In fact, tell her that the devil she has been hearing is man. Tell her everything bad about man. Did you hear me?
I told you she has not known man.
What? Ugoma, my daughter, it's like you don't know how important you are to me. In fact, let me tell you today, you are that son that your mother could not give to me. You are that millions that I'm yet to make. You are my first car. Listen, I hope you also know that you will make me to eat with the king and the queen in the royal table.
Papa, I don't understand. Where are you driving at?
Don't worry, my daughter. You will understand it today. Come with me.
Okay, let me get done with what I was doing at the back.
Ugoma will not understand me. What you are doing at the backyard is not important. Let me explain more to you.
Oluchi! Bring bench for us.
Also, quick.
You are welcome, Mr. Edo. So how is Madam and you?
Everybody were all fine, except hunger.
I can't do it. Talking about hunger.
I go below.
Looking at you like this. You are a full-grown man now. Okay. Where is this guy?
It's only the cloth that is covering you.
So you will say, then what will people like us say? Oh, he's already here. Let's go and sit down. Come. Why are you still at home? Are you not going to work today?
Okay, but I'm getting dressed already.
All right. Sit down. Yes. Good. So, Miss Tibe,
Chief Ume,
it is obvious that your visit today is very important because you have not paid me a visit for quite a while. So for you to have come, definitely cannot be for the opposite.
it can never be. You are right in all you have said, but I'm assuring you that the reason of my visit will make you smile and happy because it is a dream come true.
Okay, I'm listening.
Now, before I nail it, now that Isiozi have no king, what are we going to do?
Point of correction there. We have a king in the name of Chuma, Alex Osondu, who was crowned the heir to the throne the other time, some few years back. And in a few weeks' time, this same man will be coming with his wife to ascend that throne. So why do I say this?
Beautiful analysis. Now hear this. Do you know that they are now paying all the kings in this our state 400,000 monthly? And that is not all. With a brand new car.
Eh? You can't be serious.
Eh? Our governor is trying. Now let me ask you. If
Papa, I'm going.
Okay.
Okay.
Take good care of yourself.
Okay, Papa.
Good.
now let me ask you.
Yes.
If Alex Chuma Osondo dies without crowning his heir, who will now be our king?
Well, in this case, but God forbids, the crown has to leave the Osondo's family to the Ume's family, of which I am the head of the family.
That is to say, you will now be the king of Isiozi kingdom.
In this contest, yes, but that is not possible.
Nothing is impossible. That is why I'm here.
I don't understand.
Very easy and simple. I want you to be the king of Isiozi kingdom.
Chima, please let me be. Is she the only girl in this village?
Yes. Yes! For me, she's the only girl in this village. Let me tell you, see all these girls that are running up and down in this village, claiming fine girls, big girl, small girl with big God. Okay. They are all stupid, worn-out, useless girls. In my eyes, they are old.
Okay.
It's just Ugoma that is still fresh and kinky. Pena.
And who told you she's still intact?
Who doesn't know that Ugoma is still intact?
Oh.
Ugoma is still intact the way God created her. That is why my friend, what's that his useless name, Jericho, is running up and down. Jericho wants to break her into 24 pass. But I'm here. I am here to make sure that doesn't happen.
Okay, no problem. Can I go now?
Yes, you can go, but are you promising me that you will help me and tell her all these things I just said?
Okay, I'll talk to her.
Come, please. They are only. Please, remember, I did not toast you. I just called you to give you a message for someone. It's not later now you go and use me and be bragging. I did not toast you. Mr. Ibe, whatever you are accusing my daughter of, I know that she did not do it. Yes, she did not do it. Maybe you did not understand what you saw. So you see this collage that you are holding. Let me have it before the devil use you.
Woman, I will advise you to stay away from this. If not, I will start the killing with you. See, let me tell you. Stay away before that devil you are calling will use me badly on you.
Ibe,
you better stay away.
Listen to your self-talk. Listen to your self-talk. Your only child, your only daughter.
Go ahead and remind me that she's my only daughter. Go ahead. I don't care anymore, woman. I would rather be childless than to have that girl that sleeps around as my child. So, you still have the guts to come into my compound. Now let me tell you, you might be the king of the street, but this is my house. Let me advise you. It's better you leave this place now. Next time I see you in my compound, you will not like what I will do to you. You just shut up.
Mommy, as you can see, your daughter is injured. And I took her to the chemist, so just take her inside so she can rest.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Now let me warn you for the last time. If I see your legs close to my house...
Will you shut up?
You want me to shut it up for you?
Believe me now. But when next I hear you touch your daughter, you have me to contend with. Remember, Matthew chapter 7, verse 2. In the way that you judge, so will you also be judged. And in the measure of the standard, so it will be measured back to you.
Ekwensu na-agụ Bible.
And he has forgiven you.
Thank you, Mama.
I also defended you in his presence. Even though I know that I don't know anything. Even though I am not sure.
You're not sure of what?
Your virginity.
Mama, I'm still a virgin.
Let me believe so. Yes, let me believe that you're still a virgin. And let me advise you. You see that thing? You will hold on to it until a man comes in to ask for your hand in marriage and paid your bride price. That is the only person you will give it to. Ugoma, you see that breeze that blew you to where Binna is should not reoccur. Mbano, it should not. You see that boy called Binna? He's a terrorist in his choosing. That boy is a terrorist.
Mama, Obinna is not what people think he is. He's actually a very good man.
Will you shut up? Shut it up. Shut your mouth up. It's a lie. You see that man? Eh? His hands are soaked with innocent blood. But do you know what? Soon Nemesis will catch up with him.
Mama, don't talk like that. Don't talk like that. At least he took me to the chemist. I'm sure that man, he will change.
He will never change.
Why?
Don't be deceived.
Why are you talking like that, Mama?
Obinna can never change. Obinna can never change. So don't make the mistake.
Mama, please don't talk like that.
Goma, end of this discussion. End of this wholesome discussion. Now move. Go and cook. So that we can eat. I told you, that breeze that blew you to where Obinna is should stop. It should stop now. Now, when you see him, you want to melt. You see, that's the only person who got mad. That's the only person you think you can move with. Not in this compound. In short, let me just wait. I've told you.
You like it?
Very good.
I have a friend that sells it around my house here.
We are blessed that Mr. Ebe, you left a deep scar in me. A scar of worries. A scar that could not allow me eat in peace. A scar that, if well treated, all of us that are involved in the nursing will smile.
Ah, Chief Ume, that is where I come in. Nursing the situation till well sealed up. When that happens, Chief Ume, you will be crowned the king of Isiosi kingdom.
So, what's your plan?
Good question that has a simple and straight answer, which is you must take Alice, Chuma, or Sondo out of the way.
It is obvious that I could be the king. But how possible will I achieve it? That the chief priest will not point hands at me.
I come in here too. Just accept my condition, and the crown is yours.
So let me hear you.
1, you will make me your Ono. 2, your son will marry my daughter.
Is that all?
As you can see, I'm not a greedy man.
Accepted. So what next?
Just leave the rest for me. You know what I can do.
Consider it done.
Where are you people taking water to? Hey! Wait, oh. You people, hold on. What is it? What is going on? Why did you fetch water for me?
You don't have to be surprised. Obinna paid us to be fetching water for you every morning. Your Highness.
Yes, oh. Which Obinna?
The fearless Obinna that you know. See, let's hurry up before he asks us for balance.
Free money!
I saw some girls with bucket of water.
They've left.
They have left. Goma.
Mama.
You now pay girls to fetch water for you.
No, I'm not the one that paid them. It's Obinna that paid them.
Obinna. Which Obinna?
The one you know. They're just telling me now that he paid them to be fetching water for me every morning.
Here! Don't say it again. Don't you ever say it. It's a taboo if your father hears it. So you say these two legs with you. Run! Go and meet those guys. They should return that money to him now. Immediately. Awesome. Go and meet them. Fast!
Mama, I did not beg him.
I said go and meet them. You did not beg him. You did not beg him. They brought water here. Here! What is this? Obi Nakpaka, here in my house. Again, is it? What is it? What does he want? Again, he's asking them to bring water. You say you did not send them. Let me see their legs here again in this compound. I'm not fear. You are stupid. You are sitting down here like a madam. They brought water and you kept quiet. Don't worry. Every time they come and meet me here. Yeah, let me go to where I'm going and come back. Fetching water. Spend their money to come and fetch water for me. For what? Open a
my baby. Oh, Ugo.
Leave me alone.
The most beautiful girl in this community. You know I love you. See, Ugo, let me tell you, if I don't marry you in this community, I'm dead though. I will die. In fact, it's either I die by suicide or any means. The whole thing must end in death.
Chima, what is the name of the detergent you're using to wash my head? Is it detergent or soap? You think I don't know you're lying to me?
Me?
Is that what you think?
Me lie? How can I lie to you? I cannot lie to you or attempt to wash you. Instead of me to lie to you, brew the lie, finish and the mother there. I will take the lies to my house, and finish everybody there with lies. In fact, lies will not even allow me to use him against you. But it's not possible.
You think I don't know everything you're telling me are full of lies?
How?
See, forget the fact that I'm a very quiet girl in this village. My nose are perceiving. My ears are hearing. I know everything that is happening in this community.
What did you hear?
How is your girlfriend, Obi?
Obi again? Who told you that one? See, Ugo, you don't need to link me to Obi. How can you be linking me to Obi? Me, Chema. I can't take myself, I can't bring myself too low to come and be dating Obi. That dating girl. That's small. Don't do that to me. Obi is too small. You can't do that to me.
You are a born liar, Chema.
How?
Let me ask you. Now you're opening your dirty mouth to call Obi dirty, loca, blah, 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 blah. Where were you yesterday?
In our house.
You lie again. You think I don't know you followed Obi to their farm? After that, you came back with her, filled their drum to the brim with water. And look at you here denying her. See, let me warn you. I can tolerate any kind of person, but obviously not a liar. I don't want to have anything to do with a liar. Biko, stay away from me. I think you should change your name to Linus Asiasi.
Who told you?
Don't call my name.
I will come to your house.
Please don't even come close to my house again. Don't even come. If you see me on the road, don't stop me. Don't come close to my house. If you come to my house, I will tell my father you pour hot water on you. Oh, sorry. Not hot water. Raw acid.
Obi, come. Obi. Hey, Ugo. Sorry. Open. Hey! Down. Who did this to me? Jericho. Yes, this must be the handwork of Jericho. Hey. Hey!
What do you mean of this one?
You want to know the meaning? Or you make I tell you the meaning? Why you go open this your dirty mouth? Go tell Ugomma. Say me and Obi get small thing where they run. You dey grace? Huh?
No, she tell you, let me tell her. Abi, one time you say, Ugomma no get friends for this village.
She need to tell me, say, na you tell her. No, for this village, we get another basket mouth. Make I ask you, you get anybody for this community where no say, me and Obi, they get small thing? You get anybody for this community where don't ever see me and Obi for corner? Where we they do one or two? Not be only you.
My guy, Jim, I thank God say you buy the idea, say you and Obi, the day for corner. You accept that fact. You understand? I want to advise you. I go advise you, say, make you and Obi continue today. You understand? Follow Obi, no they follow Ugomma. Leave Ugomma, my future wife, for me. Because you no go ever get Ugomma. Ugomma no like you. See as you be now. No, fine, you know fine. You see your beard, you know the shaver. Money, you no get. Yeah? Home training, you no get. See what you wear. Money, see me, color blocking. You know, you don't hear color blocking before? This is red. This is red. Color blocking.
Wait, make I ask you. All these things where you mention, you get the one where you get. Even your great grandfather no get home training. How you want to get home training?
You see what they tell you say, you know the like come closer to me. Like say they come closer to me as my friend. If you know say I don't set up my future. my future I don't set up. See I don't see am like this. See am now. See I don't see am like even as I talk to you I don't see am. See am now. My future straight. And even Ugomma don't see am. Say I get bright future. And that's why she dey follow me. Because she one day the right lane. Follow who no road. See am now. Make I advise you. You know say Steve my friend. I go advise make you dey respect me. They give me respect where I deserve. Make I consider you when I go enter my paradise.
Okay, sir.
Whether I go be my gate man, you know, if you catch thief. Whether I go make you my special advisor.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Okay, sir. No problem, sir.
I want to go now. I gotta go give my Ugo a fruit before you go melt finish.
Wait, please.
You don't want me for sure too.
You see this fruit where you carry the whole go suspend that.
Why?
Because I won't beat you.
We'll make you fight.
Maybe you say I won't make you fight, I won't beat you.
Don't beat me.
I won't beat you.
And your ancestors now tell you say you beat me.
Yeah.
Jericho.
They don't need to tell me, suppose see the anger for my face. I won't beat you. They're crazy.
I won't see that anger.
Oh yeah, go down. Come here. Go down. You know they here.
See.
Oh, you ready to fight me?
Make I tell you.
Make a fight. Match this fruit where you go by. You're crazy.
I go. What can I say? I go kill person.
I said I won't beat you.
I go kill person.
I think I won't beat you.
I go kill person.
You're crazy.
I go kill. I don't kill person.
You're crazy.
What God says you will be, that is who God say you will be, that is who you will be. Stand the truth to what you believe, and be courage and strong. Standing to serve your God is not a sin. Mana yasi bagi na la lobi, emekwana na madu, ejirike emebuwa.
I never thought that the prince would be that handsome. Oh my God! He is so cute. Oh.
Now you know. Madam, stay off.
Says who?
Says I. Because he's a married man.
So I heard, but why did he not return with his wife and son?
Well, I don't know. I don't know. But you have to stay off.
Excuse me.
What are you guys still doing here? The queen needs us.
Now, stay off.
Yes.
That is who God say you will be.
Ibe! 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 Here! Ibe!
Chief Ume, this one you are happy, I hope on.
Oh, the prince is back.
Wonderful. When did he arrive?
About 2 hours ago. In fact, celebration is still on in the palace. I just left there to come and inform you that our target is close.
Chief Ume, you did very well. You did very well. Eh?
In fact, so now that we have made him to return without his wife and his son, what next?
Yes. Monitor everything.
That is who God say you will be.
You understand?
No, that's not how to twerk. No, you know you're very funny.
Ah, very funny.
You know you're very hilarious.
Very hilarious.
Do that thing again.
Like this. You see you? You enjoy about it?
That is who you will be. Stand the truth to what you believe.
Chief Ume. I said relax. Eh? I think I'm the one that brought you in. And before I came to you, everything has been settled. Yes. Calm down. Eh? I will get back to you. Huh? Uh-huh. Woman, what is it? I don't like it when you look at me like that.
Why won't I look at you like that? I don't understand you anymore. Especially the business that binds you with Chief Ume.
You will not stop to amaze me. So let me tell you, anytime you are in the kitchen cooking, I always sit down here and perceive the aroma of the food before the food is served. Huh? Meaning, sit down and watch. I am cooking something that will transform the look of this family to a greater height. That's why I say, calm down, I'm in charge. Ibe.
Ibe, you are in charge.
Yes, I'm in charge.
Go on.
Yes, I'm in charge.
Have you prayed over it? Have God Almighty approve it? Why do you want to force it? Before Sequoia, okay, maybe we fail.
If you reach a Boss Express, Abi?
Now we're gonna go.
Yes.
You go that side, just straight down.
Trek. Man, this song
is too much.
Yeah, of course, I beg. Help me make I lace up my... This one,
it's too much.
Too hot.
I didn't tell you. Even us now, kind of want enter, but this one too much.
Now, they say I go trek go far, so... Your check, go that side. Thank you, boss. You don't finish. Boss, yeah. Just open your boss. You dey see me where? You dey see me? I don't say you dey see me. I don't say you see me. But see, if you like say na gone on a whole, abi. Na gone. Yeah. You know, smile again, back and see. Yeah. So just give me the money, eh? No header. Give me, eh? Yes. No header. Yes, yeah. You see, as him be now, eh? We be friends now. You know, understand? Now street business, boss. I don't do anything, eh? Now my work I do. Maybe to get job. Now my own job I do too. And I do am well. See what you go happen now, eh? If you shout, eh? You go wake up for heaven. Hear me? Madam, if you shout, you go wake up for heaven. This gun here, no be toy gun. As you see me so, I no dress come from a play. If you shout, you go wake up for heaven. This roll like this. My guy, see what you go do now, eh? You go walk out inside, JJ, happily. When they laugh, they go inside, JJ, happily. Okay, don't make any noise. Okay, sir. You understand? Yes, sir. As I said, if you shout, you go wake up for heaven. Thank you. You are going inside. My guy, you are going inside. Go. No waste time. Before I shoot you, go quick. Go inside. Go quick. Yeah. I go call you, eh? I go ring you. I will call you, yeah.
Ejirike mebuwa Wanem lokwelu mafuwa Ejirike mebuwa Wanem lokwelu mafuwa
Did you see any guy that passed this way?
Man of God, say something now. Do you see anyone?
Say something now. We are losing it now. Please, say something.
Yes. Here are through this way.
This way. Let's go.
This thing you want, have you prayed over it? Have God Almighty approve it? Why do you want
Smile again.
I'm smiling now.
Is it you?
See this money? If I take everything, it's for you. Take everything. It's for you.
Thank you.
You know, this is my waist. Hope nobody they enter this waist. Hope nobody they enter. Only me, only Jericho. But no be only thank you now. It's not enough. For I be no love me.
But you know I love you.
Yeah, you then do better than thank you now. Do something good.
Hey, but you know I'm shy. But I'll kiss you.
Eh?
On one condition.
Yeah, tell me.
Condition. You close your eyes till I'm done.
Wait. You want to kiss me? Make I just close my eye. That's more challenging. I couldn't even cancel a condition. No be condition. I love you, in love.
Oga.
Yeah. Chiman, what is it? Can't you see I'm busy? Why are you here? Why are you calling me?
Ugo, please come with me. There is something very important I want you to see.
Why? What is it?
Please come. You need to
I
see
will
this thing.
not come.
See, this thing I'm telling you is very important too. You need to come with me and see with your eyes. It's a matter of life and death too. Come first.
I don't believe you.
You will believe me when you get there. Come.
What is it that
Yeah, go there first. Come with me first.
He's the real match now. Jesus!
Oh no, Ebube. I'm surprised you want to go.
Jericho, even you. Eh?
It's not intentional. Go.
Magic.
See, come here.
Come down, babe.
You see, you two. Listen and listen attentively. I don't have any iota of feelings or whatsoever for any of you. Yes, you're just my friends, not my lovers. Agreed? Oh, friend or no friend?
It's hilarious, idiot. I buy the idea. I agree.
So you're my friend?
You're my friend.
No feelings? No feelings? No love?
Go. No feelings. No feelings. No feelings.
I am Marco. Are you in or out? Friend or no friend? In fact, let's go.
Okay, no problem.
Friends. No love. No strange. No feelings. Just comedy. Laughter.
You're hilarious, idiot.
Come, let's go. See, I have something to tell you. See, if we're even friends like this, it's better because even if I get married tomorrow.
Standing to serve your God is not a sin. Mana yesi bagi na la lobi. Emekwana na madu. Ejirike nebu. Manem logwelu na. Ejirike nebu. Manem logwelu na.
Can I take you home?
Thank you, but no. My friends will do that.
Your friends?
Standing to serve your God is not a sin. Mana yesi bagi na la lobi. Emekwana na madu. Ejirike nebu. Manem logwelu na. Ejirike nebu. Manem logwelu na.
Yes, it's me. Thanks for giving me your number. And funny enough, you seem to be the only one who's not scared of me in this village. It's all right. Tell me more about you. Wow. Permit me to say you have a perfect life. No. Please don't ask about me. You really want to know about me? All right. I'll tell you. I lost my parents when I was just a boy. My father was framed up.
was killed. My father made me to understand that family is all I've got. The people of Isioji are heartless. When it was time for me to bury my parents, I went from home to home, street to street, market to market. No one gave me a penny. No one supported me. No one helped me. I cried day and night as I dug the 6 feet. I buried my parents. And from that day, Isioji became my #1 enemy. I'm sorry. Please, please. No! The people of Isiozi are heartless. And that is how Preacher was born. And I said enough. Enough! You know what? This conversation is over.
What is chasing you?
My dreams. My dream.
Your dreams. I don't understand.
My dream is to become the next queen of this great kingdom.
I said it. It seems your fever has started again.
No. I am very, very serious. See, the queen has made it clear to her son, the prince, that he must remarry, and the lady must be from this village.
And what has that got to do with your dreams?
Okay. On different occasions, I see myself as the queen of this great kingdom, as guards, maids following me around, as people bow to greet me. Some even put their clothes on the ground for me to pass on it. Oh, I just cannot wait for the prince to pick me as his bride. My dreams.
See, baby, would they like respect our business partners? You dey get? Now, why we give you that amount? So may you respect us too. Put that money inside pocket.
Shall know I go do as na TikTok.
Make you know, let this kind job waste time before you bring another one. Now back-to-back money, I make man rich.
Boss, calm down. As I just there on my own, I the guy come meet me, say I go follow and go collect 300 back the next day. So no reason job go come. I go they go work on a stadium and I go they alight now waiting they happen. No reason una my person, get the point.
The Bible says in Matthew 6:21, where your treasure lies, that is where your heart should always be.
Preacher! Talk to us.
So you see, my dear, no they let your courts they sleep over for our handle to avoid voicemail. You hear me?
Because I know where you did go. As the matter take be, I just have to calm down, make all I kulele before I come out. So not just reason the matter. I beg.
Goma, you have been our sister and friend since childhood. So we know ourselves very well. When I'm doing something wrong or about to take a wrong turn, you've always advised me. I mean, your girls have always advised me, and I listened. Same goes to Chioma. Now is our turn to advise you to stay away from Obinna.
Imoma. Chiso, Choma. I never told you people I have anything to do with him now.
Oh, Goma, come off it. We are not babies. At least we all know when a girl is in love, seated, smiling not to herself, without anyone talking to her, or even tickling her. We know. Look, we are not telling you not to fall in love. No, not at all. But Obinna is not the right guy for you. He's not. He's not.
Gernot, you girls are getting it wrong. You're seeing it the wrong way. Obinna and I are just friends. Obinna is a guy I'm trying to see if I can help change his life and make him a better person. That doesn't mean I'm dating him.
You can't fool us. Oh. Or the people that has been seeing you around his house. He's a criminal. Stay away from him before he lands you in trouble. It is just a simple advice. And you have to take it.
I am not in love with him. Obe.
I don't believe that.
Now you don't try. Person bring food, can't give you. Where you and your guys will let him sit down job. Only you finish him. Now, as if that one not rich. You know what they like. You know, say that bonefish, they love that bonefish. You finish them. Why? Guy, you don't fuck up. I know the
Tripod. The Bible says, 1 Corinthians chapter 10, verse 31. So whether you eat or drink, whatever you do it to the glory of God. And when I saw that food, all that came to my head, my heart, is to do it to the glory of God. Huh? It's alright. I understand. That bone won't pain you. No worry. When next she brings food, delicious food, I'll eat the food. The bone is your portion. Settled.
Preacher, well done. You try, you don't try. Now I ask you, now bone I come this life, conjure.
You asked for it?
Now, one very simple question I want to ask you. Waiting you and that nonsense girl, waiting I get that girl way be say she never even wear a better catapult pint. Can't they bring food, can't give you? I know the whole matter only me they calculate. Seriously.
Let this be the first and the last time you ever speak ill of my woman. You hear me?
Preacher, calm down. Not come they speak Oyibo. Tell me and you. Not they speak Oyibo for me. You know the game. Calm down. You understand? Chill. We know what's in this up. Calm down. Not because of that nonsense.
Tripod! I will not warn you again.
See me, oh. See preacher again, oh. Hey. See, this whole matter now just confuse me for real. Because of one nonsense girl preacher come, they warn me. Girl, we don't get left, we don't get swag. Hey, see, preacher, you better go ask Samson, Waiting happen to them, waiting woman do am. On how they play tape for them.
Ogbeni.
Huh?
Who you dey talk to? Have you done smoke Russian kush?
Guy, I fell my beg. Now preacher come here, come dey paraya and they ginger me because of one girl. Oh. One girl will never wash her pint well. I bet more free that thing. How the politics everywhere good?
Politics sharp.
Everywhere.
Sharp. The driver say, whenever in Oga, they do decking. He dey always go bank around 3. Go collect money wey dem go use pay workers. So he want make we block them for road. He ran past 4. Make we collect the money. Just the money. No killings.
Guys. To block these guys for road no go dey easy. What if they carry gun? That's not what we go reason.
He saying your guy no fit get gone.
The Bible says in Galatians chapter 6 verse 17, let no one bring me trouble, for on my body I bear the brand marks of Jesus Christ. So whether in get gone, in fit get gone, you have to be emphatic. We need to know the exact one, so that to know how well prepared we should be. What is the offering?
He say the money dey full nylon. So you don't know the exact amount where it be.
Nylon money. Well, that is what Tripod and I and the rest of the boys will go for. Nylon money. Well, other nylon money, Ghana must go money, honor money, Tola winch. What time is the service?
This Friday.
On point.
Thank God it's Friday. Good Friday.
God says you will be. That is what you do. Who God say you will be. That is who you will be. Stand the truth to what you believe and be courage and strong. Standing to serve your God is not a sin. Mana yasibaki na la lobi. Emekwana na mmadu. Ejirike emebuwa. Wanem lokwelu nafuwa. Ejirike emebuwa. Wanem lokwelu nafuwa. What God says you will be. That is what who God say you will be. That is who you will be.
You. Also, this is why you asked me not to open the food until you're gone. Huh? No, of course, baby. I just opened it. Very nice. Very, very nice. Oh, come on, baby. Huh? How many times have I told you, if you want to sell plantain, tell me, I can buy everything. Why go to the palace? Why am I here to love you? To ease your stress. Huh? Please. When next you intend to go sell plantain at the palace, just tell me. I'll buy it all, save you this. I don't want you to be going there. They will not be looking at you as cheap. Huh? Promise? Promise. Alright. Of course I love you. Can you just leave me alone? Let me concentrate here. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye. And careful. Don't swing too much. Huh? Don't. Alright. Of course I'll call you back. Somebody hold me. I'm so emotional right now.
What God says you will be.
The time wey dey report for office, and na you fix this meeting.
If now you know, you go to form Oga Boss verse. Oga Boss. Guy, what did they sub? See time.
Keep calm. Mona no vex. You know, I guess more something will delay me for road and the story for another time. And the most important thing is that I'm here now. So guys, take a chill pill. Remember, in Psalm 37 verse 8, the Bible says, refrain from anger, forsake the wrath.
Preacher, talk to us.
The weather is bright overhead. I don't think it's going to rain anytime soon. All right. I will talk to you later.
My friends.
Who is the plantain seller?
She's just an ordinary plantain seller, nothing more.
Where is she from?
No one really knows, but I'm sure she's not from this village. She just comes, sell and leave.
I see.
Do you need anything else?
Nothing.
What God says you will be. That is who God say you will be.
What is funny? What is funny?
Everything is funny. So, wait. So you expect the prince, a proud one at that, to stoop so low to have something to do with you, a common palace maid?
And so, was the queen not a maid in this same palace before she took him for the last king?
And you want history to repeat itself?
You better be careful before your silly ass throw you out of this palace. See, let me advise you as a friend and a colleague. Throwing yourself on the prince is not the correct thing to do. Why not respect yourself as a woman and wait, maybe he might like you, instead of presenting yourself as a bad woman.
Any one of you is pretending as if no one has interest on the prince. If I catch any of you in his room, that person is dead. All I want from you, just pretend as if you know nothing about the plantain seller called Ugoma.
Yes, ma!
Mrs. Advisors.
Don't worry, he might come around. I like you. Let's go, babe.
My queen.
Chifume, I was surprised seeing you after we spoke on phone a few hours ago.
Oh yes. I came just to see you so that we can plan ahead. And very fast, of course. I was at the palace to see the prince in order to notify him of the coronation plans and dates. But you see, the plans changed because the prince needs a wife in order to be crowned the king. And in that case, we all concluded that the set date for the coronation should be used as his wedding date.
So, has he seen a lady he wants to marry?
No. And he has just now till 28th of this month to do that. What are your plans?
The first plan was to kill him during the coronation, that as the crown touches his head, it will be he has committed a crime that disqualifies him from being the king. But as it stands now, I will make a plan to kill him after the wedding. And we'll make him leave the village for his honeymoon. And he will die there.
Wow! That is great!
Wonderful plans.
All you need to do for me is to help him as quick as possible to get a wife in time.
I'm cleaning.
Cleaning what? I thought you girls say you don't have interest on the prince. So stay away from his room.
I'm only doing my duty. It's my turn to clean.
Madam, leave your duties for me. I will do your duties. Tomorrow, I will do. Next tomorrow, till next year, till I become the queen of this land, I will continue doing.
Since when?
Madam, it is none of your business. Yeah.
Wait. Because the way you're taking this thing, I don't understand. You're running mad.
Madam, leave me alone. Let me continue to run mad.
Calm down. Wait, let him come for you.
Leave me. I want to be running mad every day until I become the next queen of this land. Oh, come and start going.
Because the way you are taking this thing, you will soon run mad though. Be calming down. Yes. Calm down, let the prince come for you.
Yes. I'll keep running mad until I become the queen. Thank you, go. I'll clean myself. Bye-bye. So you don't like it, please leave it for me. It's my responsibilities. I'll keep cleaning myself. I'm the queen.
Why did you lie to her?
I don't understand.
You don't understand? Why did you lie to Ngoma?
Why won't I lie to her? I don't want that girl anywhere close to the palace. Do you hear me? The prince is mine and mine alone. She should stay away from the palace.
The prince is yours and is yours alone.
Yes.
Hey, calm down now. Eh? We're in your while. This your desperation is going to be getting out of hand. It will put you in trouble. Why not just relax? Allow the prince to admire you. Who knows? You may just be lucky and he will get attached to you instead of carrying everything and giving it to him for free.
They gave the prince a very short period of time. So, me too, I do not have time. God has given me bread. Leave me to butter it myself.
It is going to purge you. No, it's going to purge you.
Leave
it will purge you.
Leave me.
Don't say I did not tell you.
Yes, ma.
You don't you have pride? Are you not a woman? I'm ashamed of you.
Look at this one. You're ashamed of me. Wait, are you not going to the palace? Wait for me now. Ha.
My friend, will you keep quiet? Don't greet me. Don't greet me. Ogoma, not until the chief priest will tell you that Obinna is bad luck before you start avoiding him. Yes. Yesterday you did not sell any plantain. And it is very obvious that you will not sell anyone today because I've heard that you are in the market selling plantain with Obinna. Ogoma, what is your problem? This little business you are doing to help yourself, you want to add bad luck to it. Will you shut up? Shut up! What is the difference? Bad luck is bad luck. You are very stupid. You are just as stubborn as your father. Ogoma, just pray. Pray! Your father has not heard what I've heard. Hey, I will not be there to defend you. You know. You know. My friend, will you keep quiet? Shut your mouth. And why are you making this?
What God says you will be, that is who God say you will be. That is who you will be. Stand the truth to what you believe, and be courage and strong. Standing to serve your God is not a sin. Mana yasibaki na la obi emekwana na mmadu ejirike emebuwa nwannem lokwelu n'afụwa ejirike emebuwa nwannem lokwelu n'afụwa. What God says you will be.
Prince Chuma.
Who am I? You are the primus, meaning the first.
Smart, I said, who am I?
You are not the regular.
Smart, save my time. I said, who am I?
You are the man with the excess scalability.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Don't ever, in your entire old wretched life, address me by that name again.
I'm sorry, my prince.
Sorry for yourself. My name is Prince Alice. Better still, King Alexander the Great.
King Alexander the Great, you are welcome into my house. Please, can we go inside?
Inside where?
Into my house, of course.
Inside this cave. He wants me to be beaten by bedbugs. Bedbugs house. That's where you want me to enter. I don't know my kind of man. Are you okay? Smart, get me my share. Hey, don't sit till I ask you to. Are you okay?
Okay. Let me get you a cup so that you join me to enjoy this fresh palm wine.
It seems you don't understand the kind of person you are here with. I'm a man with excess scalability. I don't take this kind of rubbish. Smart. How is it?
It's nice.
The kind of drink I take. Sit. I came here to see your daughter Ugomma, or whatever her name is. Where is she?
Very good. Very good that I saw you here. So, all the things where they happen for market na true. So all these things where they happen for market, they happen up and down. They hear them. I see na play. Na true.
I don't understand. I mean, I don't understand what you're saying.
Don't pretend to say you know everything they happen. So, Obinna, now they help Ugomma, they sell plantain. Yeah, market. I saw them kuro. I saw them kuro. My two naked eye like this view. I see a very carry plantain inside market. Why they laugh? Is it funny? So upon all the men in this village, Ugom no see who to choose. Now that Ekberima, they go soon kill him. They go kill him. You don't get any man where they faithful for this village except me, Jericho.
Oh.
Me. You go leave me. Look, Jericho. Why are you laughing? Is it funny?
It's obvious why I'm laughing, because you're fooling yourself. Eh? You think Ugomma will fall for you? Eh? It's not possible
You
now.
idiot! You idiot! That you just say. See, why did Ugomma even choose you as a friend in this village? Upon all the old girls in this village. Why you idiot like you? Yeah? Man, get out. Get out from here. I don't want to see you again. Get out.
Stop deceiving yourself. Ugomma has already chosen who she wants to be with. Okay?
Ah, you idiot!
She has chosen who she wants to be with, so you should go and rest. You need to go and rest.
Get out from here.
No, wait.
Get out, you idiot!
No, go! Keep on fooling yourself.
Me, Jericho. Yeah? I'll fall them. I am Jericho.
Whatever
You think I'm scared of them?
Oh, whatever is it for? And whatever is it for now?
I'm not scared of you. Scared of you.
You don't need to be scared of me. Whatever is it for?
He's a criminal. They will soon kill him. Then I'll take position. Take charge. Of Ugomma.
God, why? God, why? God, why? Love your mama. Love your mama. I mean, love mama. In mama. See as love do my guy. See as love do my guy. See as love make you dey smile like person wey just smoke suck away. Love, if na like this they do. Love, if na like this they do. Abeg leave me make I dey my day. Leave me make I dey my day. Leave me, I'm okay. Just love do you. Eh? Preacher, you don't forget say we suppose go look road where we go take read mass. You don't forget say na today be Good Friday. Are you living on Good Friday? You can't come here they smile like winchy. What's up now?
Nehemiah 8:10. The joy of the Lord is your strength.
What God says you will be. That is who God say you will be.
Why did you stop
What is this? What is the meaning of this celebration?
If you must know, you see, I did not just give my daughter Ugomma. If you break the meaning well, you will know why I'm happy. I've always known that Ugomma, my daughter, will take me out from poverty. That's why I'm happy. And that is why I've always told you to tell her to stay away from criminals and clowns in the name of man and men. Because I know the daughter I have, she will always attract to the real men. Eh? Okay, if you must know, the prince was here early. Not just the prince, but the king to be of Isiozi kingdom. Do you know what he told me? He said he's going to make our daughter the next queen. And you are asking me why I'm rejoicing and why I'm dancing. Why won't I dance? Eh?
That's why you are celebrating.
Is it not enough to celebrate?
That's why you are celebrating.
No, is it not enough for a
fear
celebration? Huh?
You should be ashamed of yourself. I'm ashamed of you. You should be ashamed of yourself. You are dancing. You are drinking wine. You are dancing. You are spreading. Like somebody who wants to catch fish. You are a disgrace. Let me have the permission of insulting your life.
I hope you know you are talking to me.
Yes, with all due respect. You think you are a young man? You think you are a small boy or an average young man? Or a half man? You are a disgrace to this family. I don't blame you. Of course, you should be happy. Because you have an interior motive. He wants to remove you from poverty to levity or whichever way you want it. I don't know where you are calculating it from. I don't know the sort of poverty you think they want to remove you from. Mr. Ibe.
You are talking to Mr. Ibe?
Yes, I'm talking to you. You are twisting your hand. I'm talking to you. Let me address you properly. Mr. Ibe! Go ahead, continue to drink. You are dancing. The prince of Isiozi has come, want to remove you and put you into poverty and subtract you from poverty and add you to anything you want to. Continue, go ahead. There's no problem. Don't leave only that one. You can't get hot and add it to it and dance. Ugomma, I just received a slap from your father just now. Yes. Ugomma, you told me you were rude to him because he was rude to your father. Where? You mean you just greeted him once or twice at the palace and he suddenly decided to marry you? Okay. I now know the reason why your father is happy about it. Mama, don't go there. Don't go there. It is between me and your father. So don't worry, oh? When you come back to the house, we will talk. I'm okay, I'm fine. There's nothing wrong with me, just the slap. Don't worry. Just stay where you are. When you get back here, we will discuss more. Oh? Don't worry, I'm equal to the task. Don't just worry yourself. Okay.
Hey, excuse me. Please, did you see those guys that normally stay here?
Not at all. I didn't see anybody.
They're not steady again, no.
Wait, now wait. Please, where, do you know where they are? Where are they now?
They stay somewhere around.
Please take me there. Let me see if we'll be nice with them, please. Yes. Just let's be fast.
Chief Ume, I said you should relax. I will get back to you. I am still in Lagos. Yes. I will call you when I arrive. I'm sorry, my king. King Alexander.
It's all right, Chief Ibe. But I never knew old people lie too.
I do when it is nonsense.
It's all right, Chief Ibe. Yes. Let me go back to why I'm here.
All right.
So have you been able to convince your daughter for me?
King Alexander. Not yet, but soon.
Oh, I see. I see. So where is she?
Good afternoon. Sorry. Good evening.
You don't know what to greet again. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. You see? Didn't I tell you? Yeah? This one where you see now small. Assuming we came earlier. Before catch them red-handed. Doing the thing. And they catch them every day. See, if you still want to see them, why they cry? Why? No, tell me why they cry. You never used to cry. Because like say you come earlier than now. Yeah? If we just catch them red-handed. At the spot. See, what I tell you. If you still want to make we catch them red-handed, we can still come on Friday. Because they come every Friday. They do them. They do them every Friday. Every Friday they knock. You understand? But why this will be now? They heartless like this. Very stupid idiot. Yeah? You can't go fall in love with that kind of idiot. Man. Why? You never. Now maybe the only faithful man on earth. Jericho, the faithful man. See, come. Ugo, I want to tell you something.
Please don't.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I can feel your pains. I'm just here to console you. Okay?
I don't need your consolation. You can't feel anything. Please, I beg you. Leave me alone. All men are the same. Mean and heartless. I don't want you to keep coming to my house. Stop coming here. Leave me alone.
Chifibe,
my prince.
Any eye that sees the ego should appreciate the ego because they don't see the ego on a regular. Anya ọbụla fulu ugo jaa ya mma maka na ada afụ ugo kwada. Yes, Chifibe, I still remain and will always be the primus inter parel et non voula shodu maintenant. Yes, my frequency My frequency is always the Ojodi companion at any time. So because of a common criminal, your daughter rejected to marry a prince of my caliber. Yes, she's indeed a local god. As they said, no reasonable human being or civilized god will jeopardize her chances of becoming the queen of this land. Chief Ibe, do you know what you stand to gain? She has the opportunity to pull you out of poverty forever. Yes, she can locate you and your family to any part of the world without any confusion or obitibum. Yes. Let me say you don't know what you stand to gain. But now you know. And let me say she don't know the enormity of what she has been doing. She don't know the gravity of what she has been doing. Chief Ibe, you need to put her through. Yes, especially now that criminal is dead. I have the pen and paper to rewrite the story of this family from tragedy to onward jollification. Yes, Chief Ibe, talk to your daughter, Chief Ibe. Talk to your daughter. I said talk to your daughter.
Mississippi! Where's she? You see what your daughter is trying to make me lose? You better go and talk to her that she should accept the prince's proposal. Now let me tell you, she must marry the prince, and that is final. Failing to do so, I will kill both of you.
Can you hear yourself talk? Can you really hear yourself talk? You have suddenly forgotten what love is all about.
Love?
Yes. Now let me remind you, Mr. Ibe. Love is when a man and a woman meet. They become passionate with each other. The male tells the female, I love you. And the female tells the male, I love you more. Their condition does not matter. Doesn't matter whatever condition they find themselves or they are in. You see, Ugoma loves Obinna. He is not rich. She loves him. Obinna is not rude and disrespectful as a prince. She loves him. Obinna is rejected in the whole community. Ugoma still loves him. That is what is called true love. And I know. That's what is called true love. Not forcing your daughter into a marriage she does not love the person that is involved.
So she will not marry the prince because of that dead criminal.
Mr. Ibe, Ugoma said, even in death, Obinna is far, far more better than the prince. Yes.
Can you listen to yourself? No. Can you hear yourself? Now I know that you are talking nonsense.
I am not. Chief Ibe, I am not talking nonsense. Rather, I am talking sense. I'm trying to make you understand what true love is all about. And Ugoma, your daughter, is strongly in love with Obinna. And there's nothing you can do about it. Always
You know what I can do. You better talk to your daughter.
You cannot do anything. If you don't know how to love, learn how to love. Ugoma is in love. Even if Obinna is a cripple, she loves him. So what else do you want? Don't come here again. No?
Please, Chief, may calm down. Can we sit and iron this out?
There is nothing to iron. Because it has already been ironed. Don't you even dare to sit me down to fool me. The news is all over the village that the prince wants to marry your daughter. And that is why you dropped our plans. Nonsense.
Chief Ume, like I said, please calm down. Don't be angry. I know that the plan was originated by me because I never knew that God has a plan to settle I and my family. Please, Chief Ume, forgive me and support my new plans. When I become the new prime minister of this great land, I will remember you.
Prime Minister, my foot. Your dream will never come true. And do not think that you are the only one that knows how to plan. Because it will never work. Not when I'm still alive. Very wicked and cunning man you are. I have seen who you are now. Nonsense. We shall see when the time comes.
Ume, calm down now. Calm down. Come, let us settle this once and for all. Chief Ume, Wakade, you two nonsense. If you are my shoes, will you carry on such a plant? Nonsense.
You are home. I'm close to your house. I was doing that at home now. Don't forget for where to go to. I thought you are home. That's why I was coming to your place. Ngoma, she's not at home. She has been busy. And then now, Obinna is back. That's what Chima came to tell her yesterday. She has been busy with Obinna.
Thank God. We thank God. We give God praises. We thank Him, say, hell no add you to their collections. We thank Him.
Guys, I no need to talk which I don't talk before. You understand? And I thank God say you understand why we need to run leave you for street. You dey get the matter now. But that man will carry us go party instead of church. I swear, Maba, I go carry him go bury him.
Moku just forget that guy. No sooner the vex. Tripod is clear. See you feel the vex. Moku, I no see the vex. I mean vex pass, but the guy forget saying you're gonna actor. So Moku just let him be. Oh, let him be. Monkey die. But not be me be this. I take a chill pair. Huh? Oh, not forget that guy. Let's leave him. Huh? It's very obvious that he's a bad luck. So, but remember, air is human. To forgive is divine. That's why we have pencil, and then we have eraser. Yes, you go draw. This I go claim. Steady go.
Tripod. Preacher. Talk better thing. Ain't talk well. Because wetin me at the reason now be say, make we no go dey form say we wan pay that guy back unto revenge. Guy, you know as e dey be now. If we go dey plan that way, police fit notice us for street, guy. E fit red. So I go just say, go just pipe.
But one day for sure, we will mistakenly jam that man for bush. And you know when we jam him for bush, how they be now.
One day you go better.
What are you still doing here? You ought to have gone by now.
Once again, thank you so much for the money. But I want more of you. I want to spend the night here.
What? You must be out of your senses. How could you think of that? What if my mother sees you here?
And so, you just tell her I'm your wife to be, and that settles it.
You must be out of your mind to think that I, Alexander the Great, will make you the queen of this community. Let me remind you, you are only good on bed. I repeat, you are only good here. For the fact I'm sleeping with you does not mean you're my kind of woman. You are only good. I repeat, you are only good on bed. Have that at the back of your mind. Yes, I don't want to lose it. Please, get out of my room if I lose it completely.
I know it's because of that girl Ugoma that goes around this village with a criminal. That is why you're rejecting me to be your queen. How do you expect your people to accept such a lady as their queen? No, tell me. What does she even have that I do not have? Huh? Or it's because I'm just a palace maid? In case you have forgotten, your mother, the queen, was once a palace maid.
How dare you speak ill of my mother? How dare you? You want me to squeeze you? You want me to kill him now? Now get out of my room! Get out before I kill him there! Idiot! Idiot! You want to become the queen of this great kingdom.
What's happened? She no follow you come.
See, bros, that girl where you see the verse well, oh. This girl the verse for you well. In fact, I never even see this girl verse like this before for her life.
I know say she the vex. But I tell you say make you meet and say make she no verse again.
See, this thing no be matter of make she no verse, so not the thing where this girl they sacrifice for you. In fact, make I tell you, this girl where you see, your papa won't kill him because of you, and this girl ready to die for you. Yes, it is easy for this life for somebody to just refuse to marry Prince. Huh?
Wait. I don't understand.
You don't even know. You don't even know. Make I tell you, this girl where you see, Prince won't marry, and Prince don't they hustle everything to marry this girl. This girl say no because of love. Eh? You can't do anyhow. You say person they sacrifice everything for you. You know if you change from this your criminal lifestyle.
Are you serious that she's turning down the prince because of me?
You don't know? Or you don't even know? If not be say we dey fear you for this village, for say make you behave yourself, oh, make you behave yourself.
What did you just say?
Sorry. No verse.
Move it. Keep moving. Aha.
I don't understand. I just don't understand. I'm out! Don't you get? I'm out! And that's final. I don't understand. Guy, why you dey rap like baby? I mean, because small bullet hit your body. See, you don't tell where they run this game. You don't tell where they run this game. And we see they run am. We see they game with the flow. What did they stop? Which one be say you don't want to follow your men go church again? And I said it's enough. What is wrong with both of you? Tripod. Boko. Oh God. Are you guys not going to change? Won't you think of something different aside crime, guns? And that is what the Lord said in the book of Moses chapter 6 verse 57. All men everywhere must repent. We must repent. Other things we can do. Is it until bullet touch one of us? Is it until you go down 6 feet? Remember, brothers.
Guy, na lie. Na lie you talk, guy. We know what in they play. Now because of that small guy, you won't betray your man. You won't betray her because of that guy. That small guy, you want turn your back on us. Men, where you put together. Don't forget, now you be the captain of this team, oh.
Oh, so you, Boko, you remember that I'm the captain of the ship. So it's simple. Let us break out. Let us split. Let us look for something else to do that has nothing with crime, with killings, with guns. How long are we going to continue to live like this? We can look for other things to do. Genuine jobs. Come on, guys. We can.
Okay. You don't reach that level now. You don't dey speak grammar for us now. You don't dey speak grammar. Because say you don't turn human rapper, you dey speak grammar for your men. No problem. Do anything where you want. Do your thing. But as it stands now, me and Tripod will go run this heat. We go run am for our matter. We go knock am the way we dey do am. We don't need you again. Do your thing. We go do our thing well. But one thing for sure, one thing I swear, that girl, she go collect, rub it.
You listen very well, Boko. My childhood friends. Do not let me change my mind. The Bible says, touch not my anointed, and do my prophet no harm. That girl is my anointed. Stay away. Do not say I did not warn you. If anything touches that girl, Boko, you say this comedy will become a horror movie. Now, remove your hand from me, buddy. I didn't talk to you, I said remove your hand before me I go start my own action film. See, I know they like dance music who I don't understand. Remove your hand. See, if you don't tire to collect offering, we still the game. Now, remove your hand. Now! Come on, remove your hand. What's up, who you be, sir?
My queen. He is coming.
Okay. Tell the chef to make white rice.
Okay, my queen.
My son.
What's up, Mom?
Come and sit with me.
Alright. I was busy in my room when you called. Hope you won't take much of my time.
You've not said anything about your coronation.
What do you want me to say? Or should I rewrite you guys' constitution on how to crown a king? All you guys need to do is to fix a date and crown me. That's all I'm waiting for.
Yes.
He can't crown you without a wife.
Mom, there must be a way out. There must be a way out. Lisa is out of my life. She asked for a divorce. And I signed it. When I told her I'm relocating to Africa. And my stupid son was asked to follow. And he shows my harlot wife. So what do you want me to do?
I was never supposed to feel marrying a white lady, but you insisted. You never listened to me. I don't know if that boy is even your son.
Mom, there is no time for all these preambles. Let's look for a way out.
The only way out is for you to remarry. Pick a girl from this village. I can know her background.
Is that all?
So you mean he saved the prince's life years back?
Yes, that was what the prince said. See, Ugo, I know you love Obin now. I know you love Obinna so much. You are just accepting to marry the prince because you want to please your father. This is not, I know you, this is not what you want. This is not what you want. Do you know what you have sacrificed for Obinna? This Obinna we are talking about now rejected everything Prince Alexander gave to him, including millions of naira and a visa to any country of his choice. Look at Obinna, and Obinna is in the market, pushing wheelbarrow, all in the name of true love. Nemba. You need Obinna. You need Obinna.
Chima, he's doing all of that to impress me. But the truth is, I am not impressed. Yes, Obinna should forget about me and move on. I've moved on. I am never going back to that cheat.
Ugo.
I will not.
Ugo, listen to me.
Tell him to forget anything about me.
You know me, normal me, I don't even like Obinna. How will I start liking Obinna? We all know who Obinna is. But he's a changed person now. If you lose Obinna, I don't think you get somebody like him. You need to give him a second chance. So.
Yes. Maybe in my next word, I'll give him a second chance.
Okay. Can't see me the mood you're going to
Papa, I was going to the palace to resume work.
Whose money is this?
Papa, I don't know.
I saw this money in the local pot at the kitchen when I went there to look for pot that I will use to cook my herbs. And the bills I'm seeing here, they are 2019 bills. And your mother died 2017. It is quite obvious that she wasn't the one that kept this money in that pot. I counted this money 3 days ago. It was 92,000 naira. And now, I counted it again. It is 86,000 naira. So who took the difference from it? It is you and I that are in this house. Could spirit be coming into this house to take money? So now, I ask you for the last time. Whose money is this? Will you tell me that whose money is this?
Papa, the prince gave me the money.
And why?
is who you will be. Stand the truth to what you believe and be courage and strong. Standing to serve your God is not a sin. Mana yasibaki na la lobi emekwana na mmadu ejirike emebuwa nwannem lokwelu n'afuma ejirike emebuwa nwannem lokwelu n'afuma. What God says you will be, that is who God says you will be. That is who you will be. This thing you want, have you prayed over it? Have God Almighty approve it? Why do you want to force it? Before Subaya, okay, maybe we
Can you imagine? How can that girl choose a dead person over me? How? Over a man that his frequency is on a high tension.
Man, that girl, she really got guts. Like I told you before, she's the right woman for you. I mean, the right woman to rule this kingdom with you. You know you're quite stubborn, and she's stubborn too.
I am not giving up.
You don't have to give up.
I need to get to the root.
She's the right match for you.
I need to get to the root. How will we get to the root?
I guess you're coming from Ogonia's house. And with the look on your face, she still turned you down. Why that girl? Must it be her?
Yes, mother. It must be her. Yes, it must be her.
But she's saying no to you. Let her be. We still have beautiful girls around that you can choose from.
Every other person will want me. Yes, every other person will want me. Yes, every other girl out there wants me. But she is the only one. She is the only one that does not want me. And that is why I love her.
She doesn't love you. Let her be. We don't have time.
Mom, I know her time. I know her time. Yes, I will not let her go. I know how to get her down. I will do everything humanly possible to nail her. Yes, I know time is one of my greatest enemies now, but the date has to be changed. Yes.
Son, it's not possible. Kenneth, talk to your friend. Time is what we don't have.
Magwen, you don't have to bother yourself, okay? I'm on that. I will do something about it.
Try.
She don't understand the power of love. She don't understand.
You don't have to give up. You do not have to give up.
I can't, it's not possible. Yes, have you forgotten? I'm a man with excess scalability. My frequency is on a high tension. I can't give up. No, it's not possible. I will get to the root. Yes, I will get to the root.
And I am brought beyond you. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love that. Beautiful.
Tomorrow is my wedding day. Before my coronation day, the woman I'm to marry and achieve being crowned the king of Isiozi kingdom is inside your house. Ugomma, I will not kill to achieve you. Yes, I will not kill to achieve you. I accept defeat. If not for one thing, but for the fact you once saved my life. Yes. If not, both of you would have been history by now for cancelling my wedding and my coronation date. Obinna, I will allow you to leave, but don't let our path cross again. Ugomma, I know you can hear my voice. You chose love over money, power, and fame. Definitely, you must regret this. You are indeed a crowned fool.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Let this be the very first and the last time you address my woman like that again. 1 Thessalonians chapter 5, verse 28. Abstain from every form of evil. I will not warn you again.
Obinna. Obinna, don't let me change my mind. Don't let me change my mind, Obinna. Don't let me change my mind.
Why this one loud? Why you loud? No, why you loud? You dey laugh me? You dey laugh me? See, if you laugh again, I go slap you. Laugh again. Dema. I don't you see the follow me in the life. Let me tell you, nobody can. You let me laugh. See, I still get authority for this kingdom. Nobody can challenge me.
So you mean he saved the prince's life many years ago?
Yes. That was what the prince said. See, Ugo, let me tell you. I know you accepted to marry the prince. And this is not your choice. I know you so well. This is not your choice. You are doing this thing just to please please your father. Yes. Ugumma, you have sacrificed a lot for this Obin now. You sacrificed a lot for him. That is why he's in the market now pushing wheelbarrow. And this Obinna we are talking about equally sacrificed a lot for you too. Yes. Okay, let me tell you, do you know that the prince has offered Obinna a lot of money and he rejected it? Yes. He also offered him visa to any country of his choice and he also rejected it. Ugoma, let me tell you, if you miss this Obinna, I don't think you will have a better lover. This is the main
Well, he's doing all that to impress me. Unfortunately for him, I am not impressed. I don't know why it's difficult for Obinna to move on. Do I look like I'm still with him? Or didn't you take a good look at me? Chima, I have moved on long time ago. I cannot deal with a cheat. I can't. I need a truthful man in my life and Obinna is not one. So he should move on and forget everything about me.
No matter what happened, I still believe he deserves a second chance. Yes, he deserves it.
Second chance. You're right. He truly deserves a second chance. But that will be in my next world.
Hey, see, Ugoma, what is going on? Game which is in one of your Obinka. Is this still you? Ugo, Ugoma can Nina. Ugo, hey.
You will drink poison and die if that water touches your lips. So you have the guts to come into my compound with this jobless fool in the name of marrying my daughter. So all the whole thing you have done to me is not enough. You still have the mind to lead this criminal in the name of marrying my only daughter. I don't want to talk too much. Just leave my house now before I kiss someone.
They're not going anywhere.
Huh?
They are not going anywhere. They are not stepping an inch from this place until whatever they have come to do is completed. Yes. What is it? Mr. Ebe, what is your problem? If that rude and arrogant prince can let go, what stops you from letting go? It's because of your dream of becoming a prime minister?
How dare you talk to me that manner? My daughter will not marry a poor man. Just read my lips.
Papa, why? Why are you doing this to me? What is his crime? No, tell me. Papa, I want you to tell me if you were rich when you got married to Mama. She told me your love story. Papa, you were not rich. You have never been rich. But she loves you. Why are you doing this to your only daughter? Tell me. Why don't you want me to marry the man after my heart? Why don't you want me to marry the man that makes me happy? Why? What is his crime? Poverty? Would you have treated him like this if he's rich? Papa, no. I won't have you do this to him. You have never been at Ezenupu. You've never been Obi Kubana. But Mama loves you regardless. I love him and I will marry him.
Not when you are still under my roof. You don't decide what happened in this family.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Come. Please. It's already too late to stop us. I'm pregnant with his child. Please, Papa, bless our marriage.
Did I hear you say pregnant?
Yes.
You are nodding your head. So you know about it.
Please. Biko,
Papa.
My children, don't worry. I know it is difficult for him to accept it. But I accept this union and I bless it in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Don't worry. With time, he's going to accept it and bless you too. I bless you in Jesus' name.
Amen. Thank you so much.
Ebele, whenever I go into the market and see my daughter, my only child, struggling to sell few plantains, Obina, I must tell you the truth. My heart bleeds. Yes, it does. You will not tell me that you don't have a better plan to pull my daughter out of this suffering. Obina, you're a promising young man. Prove me right.
I understand how you feel. No mother would love to see her daughter suffer. I understand. I won't let you down. I'm struggling. And I want you to know this, Mama. As soon as my wife gives birth to my unborn child, we will be relocating to the city. Been saving for that. Mama, things will be well again. God has good plans for my unborn child. And that is why he says in the book of Jeremiah 29 verse 11, for I know my plans for you, plans to prosper, not a plan to harm you, a plan for favor, a plan for the future. Mama, if God says this about his children, who are we to think otherwise? So, Mama, the future is bright.
Thank you, my son. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mama.
I want you to manage this. Small. Small.
Mama? Is this what you
Yes.
call? Mama, no, this is not small.
No, it's small. It's small.
Mama,
Just
this is
manage
not
it
small.
too.
This is what you're asking me to manage.
Manage. Small. Don't shout.
Mama, this is not small.
Just manage it.
Thank you, Mama.
No,
Thank
no,
you.
no, no, no. Get
Thank
up.
you.
Stand up.
Thank you.
Stand up. Sit.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you. Thank you.
You say me well to my daughter when she
I
wakes
will.
up.
I will.
And just be strong. You are a man.
Yes.
God will help us.
Yes, thank
help
you.
you and my daughter.
Thank you, Mama.
Oh?
Thank you, Mama.
So let me start going.
All right, Mama. All right, Mama.
Take care.
Thank you, Mama. Bye-bye, Mama.
Bye-bye. Oh?
Bye-bye, Mama. May the good Lord go with you.
Amen.
Bye. Mama, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh?
Prime Minister. The in-law to the prince himself.
How are you today? How did you find the marriage? How was the marriage?
I don't have your time. You can say whatever you want to say.
Oh God, you thought you were the best master planner. You are the best in the whole universe. Let me tell you, I planned that marriage. Yes, I did. That marriage was taken care of by me. I planned the marriage. And I must tell you that what you thought You wanted to make me look like a fool. It's better for you to know now that you are the one that's now being fooled. Because you made me feel as if you were taking me to heaven. All of a sudden, you closed the door against me. That was a backstab. So I had to come out and make you know that yes, it is not only you that knows how to plan. So how did you find it? And if you think for now that it has ended, it hasn't ended.
So you mean you are the master planner?
Anything you want to say, say it. I personally went to Obina to put drink on the girl's head just for the prince to run away. There's no point holding me.
Chief Ume?
Yes, that's my name.
Chief Ume?
That is my
Chief
name.
Ume?
That is my name. No point.
I'll get back to you.
You see, he who laughs last.
Last best. Nonsense.
The prince, the prime minister indeed.
Standing to serve your God is not a sin. Mana yasibaki na la lobi. Emekwana na madu. Ejirike emebuwa. Wanem lokwelu mafuwa. Ejirike emebuwa.
Who is after you? This one you are running, leaving your slippers like this.
The prince saw us on our way coming back from the market. He tried talking to Goma, but she refused. Mistakenly, he knocked her down.
Eh? With her pregnancy?
Yes.
What is her situation now?
Oh no, she collapsed. They took her to the hospital. Right now, I'm looking for Obina. I don't know where to see Obina. I don't know. I'm looking for
Mana yasibaki na la lobi. Emekwana na madu. Ejirike emebuwa. Wanem lokwelu mafuwa. Ejirike emebuwa. Wanem lokwelu mafuwa.
Mr. Obin, I will not waste much of your time. Your wife, she wouldn't be able to deliver normally. So we have to carry out an operation for her in the next 24 hours in order to save your wife and the baby.
Please, help save my wife and my unborn child. Please.
An operation right now is the best bet. So, you can go to the cashier and pay that. Okay. So we can commence the operation.
All right.
Is there any problem with stopping?
Guinea.
Doctor, this is 650,000 naira. Are you sure this is the bill, or is there a mistake somewhere? I think you should check.
Mr. Obina, it's not a mistake. That's the best that we can go. This is not an everyday CS. It's a major operation. The baby is badly positioned. So it requires me getting some experts from the city.
See, doctor, please. Is there no way you can cut this thing down?
That's too much.
Please, this man you're looking at here is just a barrel pusher. And the girl in question is just a plantain seller. I don't think there's any way they can raise this. Please, just help us.
Where am I going to get 650?
Mr. Obin, we're wasting much time here. Your wife, she doesn't have much time. So just go and look for them. Okay. Let's not seem as if I'm wicked. Huh? If you bring 500,000, then we can start. 500,000. That's the best I can do.
Mama! Hey! Mama, there's a problem. There is a big problem. As I'm talking to you now, Ugoma is in the hospital on emergency labor. Yeah. Hey. The bigger problem is that the doctor said that I will be needing about 500,000. 500,000? Surgery, yes. Obinna and I, we are able to raise some money. I will be needing about 300,000 now. 300? 300,000. 300? 300? Chelu? Mama, do you have such amount? Why do you
want to force it? If force okay, maybe we
Where? What are you doing here?
Huh?
What are you doing here?
You will get someone.
Nonsense! You are there talking! Nonsense! You want to go and see that bastard? Not in my house here.
You will kill somebody.
You are there talking.
You will kill somebody.
You are there talking. Come out, sir. Come and go anywhere. Nonsense. I will not rest in this house. Preacher, your matter touched me. But bad as it be, I still get a strong mind to help you. See, throughout last week now, me and Boko, they flesh this town, they paint them green, red, black, yellow. Because why? Money day. But today, as I talk to you, we broke. Nothing, even 50 kobo no day. But bad as it be, guy, based on who you be to us, you get? So now I be get one hit, one job with one racket in less than 2 hours. You understand? Now, what did they involve now? 2 meters, 2 million naira. You know the game. I don't mind involving you. That's now if you dey ready. You understand? I be Boko. What do you reason?
You don't talk everything finish. My mouth don't close. But no lily. Preacher.
What be now?
Okay, Obina. Based on who you be and how you take deal with us, I don't mind sharing the money with you. If you're ready, dress up. Make you follow us go church. Now soft walk.
My brothers, blessed is the hand that giveth, than the one that taketh. Give, and it shall be given back to you. Please, guys, help me. Help me. I know they pull heat again. I know they go church again. I don't go to service anymore. All things are passed away. And behold, all be nice new. And please, I really need this money. Put hands in your pocket. Whatever you have, it will be enough for me. All right, I promise. Borrow me. I'll pay back in due time.
Boko, you observe the matter. On how it be, you know, say, you know my own matter, and I say, as in, I get anger issue. This guy, be like saying they get here peaceful. Understand? You know, they hear say everywhere lost you. I want shift. If I go begin the back, that's what I want to see. You understand? How far? I mean,
tripod.
See, now the truth now here, so nothing but the truth. You no come out, you no add, and nothing. Everything will be the truth. Now he point, now he pour give you so. So the main thing there we say, if you want follow us waka, go house, go wear clothes, make him meet us here by 4 p.m.
I beg you, please, 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 I beg you, please, I beg you, help me, please, please, help. I beg you. Stand up. Stand up. Obina, stand up. Get up from the ground. Get up from the ground, please. Please, my son. Please, get up. Come. Come, my son, get up. Stand up, please. Please. Please get up. Just get up, please. Please, I beg you, stand up. My son, get up from the ground.
What is it about your time, Chima? What's the time?
Minutes to 4. 15 to 4.
I want you to keep an eye on her.
You know, sir, I no get another place where they go now. I dey here. I'm here. I'll watch her.
My love. Stop. Where are you going? What do you want to do? I know you stopped crying for my sake. Obinna, God knows I'm proud of the man you've become. I'm proud of the change and I'm happy about it. Please, don't go back to crime.
Because you want to save my life. It doesn't matter what the doctor has said. If God says I will have my child, even as I'm lying down here, I will have my child. If God decides to preserve my life, He will. Tracy, please, my love. Please. Don't do anything because you want to save my life. Please. If God says I will leave, I will leave. Let God decide my fate. But for now, hold me. Please. Take my hand. Please. Obim. Obim. Mm. Mm. Oh, please. Hold my hands. Please.
Doctor, I understand the ball is here. Please, please, just continue with the treatment. I promise you before we leave here, I'll pay the entire money. I promise. Just attend to my wife, please. Please.
Mr. Obin.
Yes, sir.
260,000 naira will not be enough to start anything. Listen.
You're a Christian.
Listen to me, Mr. Obin.
Listen.
You have to make up the money so I can start calling the doctors. We really don't have much time again. Huh? Please don't say I didn't tell you. As of the moment, I have some patients to attend to. So whenever you're ready, just call on me.
Just 2,500 naira.
Yes, I know. That is the level of percentage you deserve. Yes. Or do you expect me to pay you all like her father or a lazy husband? Obi, now you have the guts, the effrontery, the impetus to stop me on my way. Obi, now you are indeed a big fool, an idiot. If you are not man enough to take care of your responsibilities, so why did you marry her? Why? Obinna, you are indeed a very big fool. I do not want to lay my golden hands on you, my royal hands on you. I will not. Kill yourself, idiot.
Obinna. Obinna.
Yes. I have bad and good news for you.
Okay.
Let me go to Obinna, your friends have been arrested. Yes. All of them. Yes. The police arrested them while they were coming back from robbing one guy that was coming out from the bank. So I don't know their fate right now. The second news is that Chisochona and Gezahada, Jericho here, they have some cash. They want to help us and complete Ugo's operation bills. They have cash here to complete it.
No matter what happened between me and you, you are still special to me. You understand? So that is why I decided to bring the 140,000. 140,000. And I made from Palace. And I still your name. I still make the money. So now why I wish to still use the money, save your life. See the money here.
Let me have it.
Thank you.
You don't need to thank me. You don't need to thank me.
I and Choma have decided to donate our exam special money to save our childhood friend and sister.
Thank you so much. I've forgiven you long time ago. Chisom, Choma, you're not my friends. You're my sister. Thank you, Chisom. Thank you, Choma. I'm grateful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Obinna, I think we need to go and see the doctor immediately. There is no time. Let's go. 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 Please go.
Everything will be fine. You will be alright. You just have to be strong for this.
Why do you have to go? Who will take care of him? Look at your son. Look at our son. Who's going to breastfeed him? Who's going to be there for him? Who would give him all the motherly love?
had plans together. We had plans together. Why would you do this to me, Ukoma? Why would you do this to me? Ukoma. Please! 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 Why? Why?
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. You know, get up. Get up.
Why?
Get up.
Why?
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Just get up. Stand up, Obina, please. It's okay.
Why? Why?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Stand up. Stand up. Just stand up. Just stand up. No. Just stand up. Please stand up. Stand up, Obina. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Oh, stand up. Stand up. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Obina. It's okay. Let's go. 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 It's okay. It's okay. Oh. Come. Let's go. Let's go.
Take this tag back because it doesn't belong to you.
Please, I beg you. I beg you. He is your grandson. He has no other place to go. Please. Please. Save him, please. I beg you. Because of Ukoma.
Don't mention that name here again. Because if you do, I will behead you. You gave my only child to this criminal to kill. And you have the guts to open your smelling mouth to tell me to accept his son in my house. Open up. You killed my only hope of becoming a millionaire. My last hope of eating and dining with royalty. And you are here asking me to help you. You have done enough, young man. You have done enough, young man. Just leave this place now before we do something that you will regret. I say leave. And listen to me. I forbid you having anything to do with this criminal, nor that child. If not, you will cease to be my wife.
Please, for the sake of Ukoma, you want to leave me like this? Don't go. Let me have a child. Ukoma! Shima! Obina, come back! Obina, give me the child! Obina, give me the child! Obina, give me the child! Obina, don't go. Ukoma, why did you go?
Ugoma, where did you go? Why did you leave me? Ugoma, why did you leave me? They're taking my child away. They're taking my son away. Oh!
What God says you will be. That is who God say you will be. That is who you will be. Who God say you will be. That is who you will be. Stand true to what you believe and be courage and strong. Standing to serve your God is not a sin. Mana yasibaki na la lobi. Emekwana na madu. Ejirike emekuwa. Wanem lokwelu nafuwa. Ejirike.
Sabina, enough of this. Enough of this, oh? Oh. Enough of this, oh? You're carrying this baby inside this market is enough stress. You know what I mean? I will not allow you to do it again. No. The stress is too much. You won't do it again. People will not think that I'm supporting my husband. Eh? They will not think that I'm supporting him. No. I will not. Obina, don't worry. Don't worry, just calm down. Hmm? I will never do it again. It's enough. Enough of this nonsense. Enough of this rubbish. Enough. It will not happen again. I'll be the first woman you will see by tomorrow.
Mama, please, 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 please. You have done enough for me already. Please. I don't want to cause you more trouble. Please, just let me be. I'll take care of my son.
Obina, no, never. I will not allow it again. Obina, I'll be the first woman you will see tomorrow. You know? It won't happen again.
No, please, please.
Hey.
Look at you. She's not coming. It's obvious your grandmother is not coming back today. But we can't wait. We can't stay. We have to do the needful. We'll go to the market together just like old times. Huh? Huh? Today is going to be fun. It's your birthday. Are you going to do it yourself? Mm-mm. Huh? Aha! We'll go to the market and we'll conquer, right? Huh? Chop knuckle. Aha! Love you, son. So, you ready? Ready? Are you ready? Let's hit it. So, ready? Move it. Let me have your hand. Look at your son. He's 1 year today. And then we can have a sweet birthday celebration without you. So we came here to celebrate with you. Isn't it, Junior? Junior is fast growing. Without you. I promise I'll do anything. Do everything to make sure that he has a good upbringing. I'll tell him about you. How we met. And that fateful day I lost you. I love you. And like I promised you that I would never remarry, you are irreplaceable. So what's the need? I will forever love you. Forever. Till we're made to part no more. At least before we go, you can just say happy birthday to your son. Mommy says happy birthday. And then she loves you. Tell Mommy you love her too. I'm sure you heard him. He loves you too.
You cannot lock me indoor forever. So let me out. You should be ashamed of yourself, Ibe. Ibe, I am not heartless like you are. So let me go and take care of my grandson. Let me go out. In case you don't know, Ugoma left this world a year ago. So our son is 1 year today. So free me to celebrate with a baby that calls me mommy. Free me. Free me.
Are you mad? How dare you run into my compound like that?
No, I said there's a problem.
What problem?
Obinna and your grandson had an accident on their way to the market.
You must be stupid. What has that got to do with me?
Chima!
Mama?
Chima!
Nonsense.
What did you say? What happened?
Mama? Obinna and your grandson were on top of the bike going to the market. And another bike hit them. Obinna is fine, but I'm not sure of your grandson.
Chima, oh God, why? Why? This man put his eyes on what? That time when we burst in your stomach.
Great people of Isioji, I have wronged you all. I have stolen from each and every one of you. I've humiliated you. I've looted from all of you. I've oppressed you. But yet, you forgave me and allowed me work in this same market. One woman converted me, changed me, and I left crime. I became this man. And instead of looting all of you, I decided to work. And my wife, the same woman that converted me, is no more. And now my son, my only son, is lying helplessly in the hospital. Please, he's all I have left. Help me save him, please. Please, I beg every one of you. Please, please, help me save my son. Please, please, help me save my son. Help me save my son. Help me save my son. Please.
What God says you will be. That is who God say you will be. That is who you will be.
What is it? I have the money here. Shima, you're crying now. I have the money already. Why are you crying? I'm not... Shima, talk to me now. Why are you crying? I have the money. The king has a hand in this. He has a hand in the death of my wife.
Mr. Ibe, you are no longer the man I sacrificed the love of my parents to be with. Mr. Ibe, I turned down the famous and the rich just to please my heart. Mr. Ibe, you are wicked. You are evil. I don't mock evil. Hey!
day, I swear, I shall only return to your house as a corpse. Yes. Hey. Hey. Ah. Ah. Leave me now. 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 Don't you ever. Don't you ever. Don't you.
How dare you lead jobless fools to protest in my palace? In Apwala, after I warned you never to let our path meet again. But Obinna, you keep daring me. Obinna.
I'm not scared of you. People are tired. I'm tired of your tyrant ruling. And it's simple. The people want you to go back to wherever it is you came from. And as for my late wife, she told me everything that you did to her. The only reason you are still standing here today pointing the gun at me is because I promised my late wife that I would let it slide. I'm sorry. Today, I will break that promise. You're going to pay for everything that you did.
Learn how to respect the gun and not the holder.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
No one has the right to tell me what to do. Yes, nobody try Yancy's my ability and remain the same. I am King Alexander. Yes, Alexander the Great, the king of Isiozi kingdom. Yes.
You are not the true king of Isiozi kingdom. He is. Yes. As the king died, Obinna's father became the king and was disgraced out of the kingdom within 1 week. I and your father took over. He ruled his people very well and was loved by all. But the gods punished him for not letting me take in. After 5 years of marriage, he was planning to take another wife. And I was once told that he cannot give me a child because the gods are not with him. They are not happy with him. So I decided to get pregnant from the man who always wanted me. Obinna's father.
This is arrant nonsense. All you said here is bullshit. I don't believe you. This is nonsense. Bullshit. Are you trying to tell me that this poor bastard here is my brother?
Yes. After 10 years of giving birth to you, Obinna's father came back from 15 years of exile.
and wanted to use what we had in secret to reclaim his throne and also contest the laws that was used against him. I had no choice than to accept to my husband's plan. Obinna's parents were beaten and died in the process. I felt this is the right time for the truth to unfold. That is why I'm here. I am ready to turn myself in for playing against an innocent man that led to his death. I wish the gods of Isozi will forgive me. Obinna, I'm sorry. Sorry.
What God says you will be. That is who God say you will be. That is who you will be. Stand the truth to what you believe and be